Trading is the best side hustle, but it will not make you rich. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com, and in this video, I'm going to discuss why many people have unrealistic expectations when it comes to trading. When you trade, pretty much, in my opinion, the only way that you're not going to lose money is if you sell option premium. So let's just completely disregard and eliminate day trading, buying options, penny stocks, forex trading. When you do all of that, you are going to lose money. The only other way that you could make money in the stock market is by buying and holding legitimate companies and then selling. And if you wanted to juice up your returns, you can then sell covered calls against that. That will probably earn you, I'd say, about 10% a year. If you're trying to make around 35 to 45% a year, trading is your absolute best side hustle, and specifically selling option premium. Why? The reason is that right now it's basically free to trade. So I have no idea why many people will go into real estate where they have to pay closing fees, insurance, home maintenance, like maintenance fees, home fees, like all that stuff regarding like the organizations that manage the building. You are going to have to pay commissions for real estate agents, etc., taxes, property taxes, etc. It's just trading is basically free. There is no better side hustle. But here's the caveat. Even if you make 40% a year, a lot of people are just simply unhappy with that. They think that they can turn $2,000 into $2 million, which is not possible. So when you make even 40% a year, what's 40% on $2,000? It is $800. And for many people, $800 is not going to change their life. What is 40% on $10,000? It is $4,000. For many people, earning an incremental $4,000 a year is not going to be life-changing. And what a lot of people do is they are unwilling to build the confidence and build the discipline that is necessary to reward themselves in the future. So the best thing that you can do if you have anywhere from like $2,000 to $20,000 is to learn how to sell option premium. The problem is that when you have $2,000 to $20,000, that is directly counter to the human desire and the greed temptation that many human beings have, where they want to turn $2,000 into $100,000, because when you have $100,000, you are at a different level of wealth than you are when you have anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000. So instead, what these people do is they'll take their $2,000 to $10,000 and they'll day trade, or they'll trade penny stocks, or they'll buy options, and then they'll end up losing everything. What these people should do is they should learn how to sell option premium, and they should try to earn anywhere from 30 to 50% a year. And yes, it might not make them a ton of money on an actual basis, but instead they are going to perfect a legitimate skill that over the long term, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, can help them turn that $2,000 in combination with the money that they're earning at their regular job from, let's say, $2,000 into $500,000 or $2,000 into $1 million. So again, the best way that young people can learn a legitimate skill and build wealth is to not spend money on things that they don't need, live a minimalistic lifestyle, learn how to sell option premium, and save your money by working at a full-time job. What you can then do is, as you're practicing and honing your craft and building up legitimate skills, you can take some of the money that you're earning at your full-time job and pour it into your brokerage account. So maybe just the principal amount from your brokerage account will grow from like $2,000 to $3,000 to $5,000 to $10,000 to $15,000. And then on top of that, on an annual basis, you're going to earn around 35 to 40% a year by selling option premium. That is then going to further juice your returns. And maybe after 5 years, you will have been able to have turned, let's say you contributed around $15,000 in overall principal, you will have been able to have turned let's say that $15,000 into about $75,000 after about 5 years. And that would be a nice return of about $60,000, which would be about a 300% net increase over your original investment, which is much better than you trying to day trade or buy options or trade penny stocks. So again, it is very important for you to learn how to sell option premium, how to turn yourself into the casino, how to turn yourself into the insurance company. And the reason why I say trading is the best way to earn extra money, but it is also not for everyone, is that it is not going to make you rich because you are quote unquote only going to earn around 35 to 40% a year. But for many people, that is not enough money. And that is the reason why they will not have any money. That is the reason why they are going to lose all their money, because they are going to give in to the human temptation and the human desire to engage in risky behavior and to take unnecessary chances, and that is going to cause them to lose money. So, David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. Visit BestStockStrategy.com so that you can receive over $400 of valuable options trading education. If you have any questions, let me know. Please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on what you believe the best side hustle is, and I appreciate your attention.